guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have for you a very easy and inexpensive fall floral arrangement. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this centerpiece, you're going to need a tray. I picked up mine at Target at the Bullseye Playground for $5. You can use a clear plastic serving tray from Dollar Tree. You just need a long rectangle shaped tray, some foam from Dollar Tree, and some fall floral picks to get started. Here I am adding some Gorilla Glue, hot glue, to the tray, and then I'm just going to place the foam on top of the hot glue and let it have time to dry for just a little bit. I like to leave my foam wrapped. It's just a little bit less messy, and you could cover your foam in some moss if you would like. Now I'm taking some Greenery picks from Dollar General and just cutting them into smaller pieces. Now these are only $1, but I believe right now Dollar General has the green dot items 50% off. You might want to check at your store to see if they have any left. Today is September 13th, 2022. So I'm taking 2 of those picks, cutting them into smaller pieces, and I like to go around the bottom edge of my foam and spread out and just cover it with different types of greenery. So you're going to want to choose different textures, just a variety of greenery to put around the bottom. Now you could add a little bit of hot glue onto the end of each pick before you push it into the foam. This centerpiece would be perfect to put on your dining room table or on your entry table or a coffee table because it's going to be pretty from all sides. I'm just starting out placing greenery on all 4 corners. Usually what I do on one side, I do on the other side. All of my flowers are very inexpensive. They're either from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or Walmart. So easy and inexpensive fall arrangement. I usually try to do a pattern when I'm doing my arrangements, so what I put on the left, I usually put on the right. What I do on the front, I usually do on the back. And so for each end, I'm going to be cutting this fern pick into some shorter pieces and adding some fern to each end of the floral arrangement. I am going to play some music for you, so I hope you enjoy watching me make this floral arrangement. Now you can make this for any season or holiday. I am just making mine for fall, so I hope this gives you some ideas and inspiration. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this video.